Hi everyone. A few weeks back, I talked about the different types of work permits in Luxembourg. Today, I will talk more in details about the EU Blue Card. A third country national who wishes to come to Luxembourg to work as a highly qualified worker for a period of more than 3 months must apply for an EU Blue Card work permit. Third country national must satisfy the conditions of higher professional qualification, which means have an employment contract of 1 year at least for highly qualified works, and have an offer for remuneration of at least equivalent to 1.5 times the Luxembourg average gross annual salary, which is for the moment above 78,000 euro per year. The second option is at least equivalent to 1.2 times the Luxembourg average gross annual salary, which is for the moment above 62,600 euro, but it's limited for certain professions in the IT sectors, mathematicians, system analysts, software developers, and so on. You can have a look at the list on the website of the immigration office. And then you need to show a document proving that you possess the high professional qualification required for the activity. You can provide diplomas, for example. Before recruiting a highly qualified salaried worker, employers must make a declaration of vacant position to the unemployment agency in Luxembourg, which is called ADEME. But the highly qualified workers are not subject to the obligation of labor market tests. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs takes in average 6 to 8 weeks to process the application and come back with an answer, and they have up to 3 months to come back to you. In case a favorable reply is given, the third country national will receive a temporary authorization to stay sent by the post. This temporary authorization is valid for 90 days. During that time, the third country national must either apply for an entry visa D to enter the Schengen area if their country is subject to visa requirements, or if the third country national is not subject to visa requirements, they can directly enter Luxembourg territory. After entering the country, they must make a declaration of arrival in their new commune of residence, which is the town hall, undergo a medical check, TB test, and X-rays. After they have their final accommodation set up, they can apply for a residence permit, which is a small card. They will receive a letter at home to take an appointment, to take the biometrics, and then 1 week later they have the residence card. The validity for the EU Blue Card is 4 years. During the 2 first years, the residence permit is granted for one profession, one sector, and any employer. A change of sector and/or profession is only possible if authorized by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. I hope it helped to give a clear review of what is the EU Blue Card. If you have any questions, please feel free to come back to me.